Peace. This is Vlogmas Day 4, one take in 3 minutes, and today I'd really like to talk about gratitude. So I think we all know what gratitude is. Essentially, it is the expression of thanks. It is giving thanks. So when people do things that are pleasant for us or nice for us, we say thank you. And it just so happens that the outward expression of gratitude, of actually giving thanks outwardly, verbally, makes us feel it inside. We actually feel thanks, we feel joyful, and we feel life is good on the inside. And this feeling that we have on the inside affects our physiology and our brain too. So there have been studies done on this stuff, but I'll tell you why I'm a believer in this stuff, even though I haven't fully immersed myself in all of the science out there, although I am aware that studies and papers and stuff have been done on it. But I've practiced it myself. So there's this book called The Magic, and practicing gratitude really has this power and this magic, so I think it's appropriately titled. But in this book, it prescribes this 28 days of gratitude challenge, and the thing that's recurring for each day is waking up in the morning and noting down 10 things that you are grateful for. And every day they suggest new categories of things that you could be grateful for, like your health and your body, your living situation, money, your job, and relationships and your family and stuff. And there's a wide variety of things that they recommend that we can reflect on in terms of gratitude. So it's really good. And before you wind down for the day, at nighttime, you think on what was the one best thing in that day, and you kind of reflect on why you're grateful for it. So this daily practice is actually life-changing, because it's essentially this remedy for waking up and not feeling like there's anything to actually get out of bed for, and having no purpose. And similarly, once the day is over, whether you've procrastinated or wasted it or not really accomplished anything, it's really nice to have this routine where you actively engage in and reflect on what's the thing that was great for that day. And it turns out that there's plenty of things to be grateful for. So here's the thing though, for me as well, intuitively, when I see people who outwardly give thanks, I'm really drawn and attracted to them. I find these people really beautiful, and I think it's because, again, when you outwardly express it, you inwardly feel it, and then you genuinely feel joy and happiness, and it just kind of has this effect of, making life more joyful. So thank you, and see you in the next one.